So I had this WIX oil filter in my BMW for a while, maybe a year or so. It was a year, about 5,000 miles a year. I took this boy out. I am not using these WIX anymore. Look at this thing. Look at that top and bottom. Like the plastic is, first of all, look at this plastic on the top and bottom. It's all warped. It's like, what the heck is going, what did it melt? What is that about? That's not okay. Second thing, because of that, this filter actually like ripped off of the plastic, so it was just letting oil through the whole time apparently. So pretty much I may as well have not had a filter in there. I put another brand of filter in there this time. We'll see what happens. I mean, I'm not one of those crazy oil filter people, or maybe I am because I look it up and stuff all the time, but that's not okay. Like, just putting it out there for your people. In case you were wondering, the car was a 2001 525i, so it has the M54 engine, which a lot of other BMWs have. But just any of the WIX filters. I used to like them apparently, and I used to use them, and I used to be like, yeah, WIX filters are fine, but nope, not after this. Not anymore, I'm not. That's that. It's a PSA out there for all you DIY car people.